Hey friends, we can't sign into your account. I will show you simple methods to fix this error. Simply drag your mouse to search box and type here Reg Edit and simple click on Run as Administrator. Now click on View option and select the address bar option. Now select this path address, right click on it and click on Delete option. Now I will give you a path address in the description. Check out below. Simple paste this path address and hit the enter button. Now scroll down a little bit. Follow these steps carefully. Here you can see this is my real profile.bak. If your case showing last.bak, simple select this and right click on it and simple click on rename option and cut this .bak. Here you can see and hit the enter button. If your case showing any extra duplicate profile like this old profile, simple click on this option and click on delete. So now click on yes option and simple close this window. Now our next method is simple drag your mouse to search box and type here cmd and simple click on run as administrator. Now type this command carefully sfc /scannow and hit the enter button on your keyboard and be patient and wait until finishing this process. After completing this process, simple close this window and reboot your system. Check your problem is solved or not. If not solved, move on to the next method. Next method is drag your mouse to search box and type here create a restore point. Now click on open and select the system protection option. Now click on system restore. Click on next and from here select your accordingly which date your PC working properly. Like this, select here and click on next. So this will help you to working your PC on the back date. After finishing this process, close this window and check your problem is solved or not. If not solved, move on to the next method. Drag your mouse to window icon, click on it. Simple click on setting gear icon. Now click on account option. Here you can see the family and other user. Simple click on it and add a new user account. Here you can see add someone else to this PC. Click on this option and now click on I don't have this person sign in information. Simple click on this option. Now click on add a user without a Microsoft account. Now type a user account username and type a password your accordingly and follow the next steps. Simply click on next and after completing this process your another user account will be created from here. Simple after completing a new user account, close this window and reboot your system. Check your problem is solved or not. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please do subscribe and like this video. So yeah guys.